Even in a fast-paced, technologically changing world, typewriter repair shops are still in business. For some, simpler technology is required for their businesses. Others prefer the simplicity of using a typewriter, and a few keep them around for sentimental purposes. McDavid Typewriter Company owner Harold Mac McDavid has been fixing typewriters for 49 years and is the only typewriter repairman in Gainesville. McDavid says typewriters are sturdy machines and hasn't seen a typewriter he can't repair.
There's only 3 things that cause dumpster time on those things: dropping them, and rust, and neglect. And even on the neglect part, a lot of times it's just too much wrong with them to fix them. They're better off buying another used one. But I haven't seen one of those that I couldn't fix.
McDavid says there are no substitutes for older typewriter models, since major typewriter producers such as IBM Typewriters have closed. He says his business has felt the hardship of new technology.
Getting fewer and fewer typewriters. A lot of my customers have passed away because they were older people and used typewriters for home use. Not many young people use them very much. They just use their computer for everything.
McDavid adds that his business continues to slow as years pass.
Since the business is not growing, no one's getting into this business, and then most repair people have passed away.
McDavid believes his retirement will be the end of typewriters in the Gainesville area.
As far as total extinction, about be many, many years. I am the one who'll make them extinct because they get where I can't fix them. The landfill will get filled up because there's just not many typewriter repair places left.
McDavid Typewriter Company is not the only repair shop suffering. Television repair shops have also felt the impact caused by advancing technologies. ABA TV owner John Munkus says people also repair their TVs when there is sentimental feeling involved.
Sometimes people get something fixed just because it was given to them by a person that's passed away or something. It's sort of, an heirloom. Or it's just the most expedient thing is to just keep fixing it.
Munkus says his business has been turning up for the past few years.
It's getting better. Like 2 years ago, the only way you could fix some of these LCD TVs was to replace the whole boards, and now you can get parts for these boards, and third parties are stepping in to fill the gap.
Meanwhile, McDavid says he was prepared for this technological revolution.
IBM stopped making parts about 9 or 10 years ago on those, but there's, like I said, there's one dealer I bought out, and also when I found out IBM was going to quit making parts, I stocked up on them. So I have any kind of parts you want for them.
McDavid says some companies are too reliant on later applications.
I've seen restaurants if their computer broke down, they couldn't even take an order over the phone. They couldn't even take a pad and write your order down because they're so used to using the computer they can't do it that way.
For now, these older technologies continue to be a part of the community. For Florida's 89.1 WUFT-FM, I'm Katerina Sardi reporting.